A customer was complaining your charging port wasn't working right after going to the... What the heck is going on here? It's like red and white and blue. What? What beach do these people go to? Jeez, this is ridiculous. Come on, guys. What the heck is this?
God bless America.
What is going on here? What beach do these guys go to? It was like Malibu Beach, I think they said? Huh, that's crazy. Well, definitely got most, I think I got all of it. Alright, well I think I got all of it, guys. Like, follow, and for more, and yeah, happy 4th of July, guys.